A noun is a part of speech that represents a person, place, thing, or idea. Nouns are fundamental building blocks of sentences and can serve as the subject or object of a verb, the object of a preposition, or the subject of a sentence. In simple terms, nouns are words that me, people, places, thing. Here are a few examples: person, teacher, doctor, child. Place, city, park, school. Thing, book, table, car. Idea, a concept, love, freedom, justice. Nouns can be categorized further into common nouns and proper nouns. Common nouns refer to general, non-specific entities, while proper nouns are specific names of particular people, places, or things, and are usually capitalized. For example, dog is a common noun, while Fido is a proper noun. In English, there are several rules for transforming a singular noun into a plural noun. The way a noun becomes plural often depends on its spelling, and there are some general patterns to follow. Here are the common rules. Add s. Most singular nouns can be made plural by simply adding a s to the end of the word. Example: cat a cats, doggy dogs, book a books. Add es. Nouns ending in s, x, z, ch, or sh usually take les to form the plural. Example: boxy boxes, Churchill churches, buzzy buzzes. Change y to eis if a singular noun ends in a consonant plus y. Change the y to ais to form the plural. Example: baby at babies, city, cities. Change ef or ife to aves if a singular noun ends in af or ife. Change it to aves to form the plural. Example: leaf a leaves, knife, knives. Irregular plurals. Some nouns have irregular plural forms that do not follow the typical rules. Example: man, men, woman a women, child a children. No change. Some nouns have the same form in both singular and plural. Example: deer, deer, fish a fish, sheep a sheep. It's important to note that there are exceptions and irregularities in English spelling, and some plural forms must be memorized. Additionally, compound nouns, collective nouns, and certain proper nouns may follow different rules or have irregular plural forms. As you encounter new words, it can be helpful to observe their plural forms in context to reinforce the patterns and exceptions.